Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Quaker oatmeal cookies. First, let's start by creaming together 1 cup of softened butter with 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of packed light brown sugar. Beat this mixture until it's light and fluffy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add 2 large eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Finally, stir in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract to complete our wet ingredient base. Now, let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to your creamed wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Finally, gently fold in 3 cups of Quaker old-fashioned oats until they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. It's time to bake these delicious cookies. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough, about 2 inches apart, onto ungreased baking sheets. You can use a small cookie scoop for consistency. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the centers are just set. Remember, ovens vary, so keep a close eye on them to prevent overbaking. Once your cookies are out of the oven, let them cool on the baking sheet for about 1 minute. This helps them firm up before moving. Then, carefully transfer the warm cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy them warm with a glass of milk, or store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. These classic Quaker oatmeal cookies are perfect for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.